Okay, folks, look what I have here. I bet you've never seen one of these. This is Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Now, I'm sure you've seen Larks, but have you seen a convertible Lark? Have you seen a convertible Lark with a V8 engine? And we're going to go one more step. Have you seen the convertible Lark with a Daytona package? I bet you haven't. I'm willing to bet you haven't, but I have, and I'm looking at it right now. It is a beautiful automobile. My goodness. I cannot believe I'm looking at this. 63 Studebaker Lark convertible. We believe this is a 289 V8. It's got the chrome valve covers. Look at that is an original master cylinder. The owner's telling me that is an original master cylinder, the dual pot. Electric wipers, the torsion bar on the hood hinges. I have no idea what that code means, but I'm sure you Studebaker purists do. Studebaker purists, eat your hearts out. I have brought you some cool Studebakers in the past. I brought you a couple more today. Look at the badging on this grill. The timeless Studebaker styling. My goodness, it is a beautiful automobile. I have never in my life seen a Lark convertible with the Daytona package and the V8. I do believe these things are about as rare as lottery tickets, winning lottery tickets. Look at this. Look at this car. Check out this little piece of chrome that they put here to kind of help the body with any rust that gets splashed up on it. We can't get this door up. He had to jack it up. He's got a flat tire here. That's the spare, and the spare is flat. But he had a tire dry rot on him. Look at this. Ain't this something else? Beautiful chrome work on this car. This color really does this car justice too. It really is a beautiful automobile. Walk around the back here. I just love the styling of this car. It's so simple. It's efficient and it's simple. Unbelievable. Check out this little badge on the trunk lid, folks. The V8 badging on the trunk lid. We're going to go inside and have a look on the inside. Zeitbart. It's got an inside hood latch too. This is the second Studebaker I've had an inside hood latch. Automatic transmission. I love the interior. The interior is kind of a turquoise and cream. It really, really accents this body and the color of it. The black canvas on the convertible top. Man, this is something else. You just don't see these. This look at there. What does that say? I can't make that out, folks. Studebaker purists, tell me what that says on the glove box door. Varsity? Does that say varsity? Unreal. Beautiful automobile. My goodness. Beautiful automobile. Studebaker Lark convertible Daytona package. You got to get you a nice long look down at this chrome on the side of this car. Trying to find parts for this Daytona package would be super hard. I've never seen one. Let's walk you on around the back here one more time. Studebaker. Look at the gas cap. Look at the finish panel on the trunk. Beautiful, beautiful automobile. This gentleman here, he has quite the collection. His name's Alan. He was nice enough to let us come by and look at these cars. He has got some beauties, folks. We videoed several. I think we videoed 6 already. This is number 7. There's another Studebaker amongst these that we haven't got to yet. There you have it, folks. That is the little two bolts to hold the valve covers down. The chrome valve covers. I've never seen chrome valve covers either. I wonder if that's part of the Studebaker package. You guys know anything about that? Looks like it's got a 2-barrel Stromberg style carburetor. And it's definitely a Lark, no doubt about it. Okay, folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's thank Alan for letting me video his collection. He has a super nice collection of automobiles. Please subscribe to my channel because I continue to bring you these beauties. I have brought you some really cool cars. So hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you'll get notified that I've got another video out. And hit that like button and comment. Thank Alan for allowing us to look at his car collection and video it. All right, folks, take care. Hope you enjoyed the video.